welcome back. Today is another day of Vlogmas, and today we are going to be unboxing the Winter 2021 FabFitFun box. It is the last FabFitFun box of the year. I'm excited. Okay, listen, if you guys watched my last FabFitFun unboxing for fall, it did not go so great. That was one of the worst FabFitFun boxes. I believe actually that was the title of the video. The worst like FabFitFun box that I've received. Yeah, the worst FabFitFun box ever. Okay. So we're hoping that this FabFitFun box goes better. And I will say I'm a little bit concerned because I ordered add-ons, obviously. Some of them shipped separately, which we'll talk about. And then, but all I have is this box. Normally this comes in a different box. I don't know if the add-ons are in here. I haven't opened it yet. I guess let's do it together. So I will leave linked down below all of the information for FabFitFun if you are curious, as well as all the products that I talk about here today and my add-ons. I'll be doing my add-on haul at the end. I don't think I got a whole lot. Actually, I think I only picked up a few things. Add-ons are not the most exciting this time, which concerns me. For those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. It is $49.99 a quarter, or you can buy a yearly membership for $179.99, I believe. Like I said, I'll have it all linked down below. If you choose yearly, you get to customize more of your box than if you choose quarterly, if you pay yearly. Do you see what I'm saying? Okay. I will say though, the choices lately have not been great. See, and I don't like this because they used to list out all of the products that came in the box, like, and the choices, and I would go through all the choices, and now it's a QR code, and my QR code doesn't open shit. So we have the catalog. It doesn't have nearly as much useful information as it used to. So, you know the shittiest part too is I just got a new yearly subscription. Am I gonna keep it? I don't know. Pass this along. Oh, okay, so we've got a coupon code. Cool, cool. I want you guys to realize this is what the box looks like without my add-ons in it. What is that? Okay. I know that this was, I don't know what choices there were. I don't know what choices there were. I don't know who got to pick what. Unfortunately, this will not be as informative as before. I know that I picked this. This is a repeat product too, which also kind of annoys me. And the only reason that I'm not as annoyed as I should be is because I love these. This is the Unhide For Love Not Fur. This is the fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux blanket. I love the Unhide blankets, you guys. I have so many of these from FabFitFun and from the add-ons, and I actually had this in my add-on cart before I realized that it was a choice item. So I ended up picking it up during choice. It's so soft. This is like way softer than the other ones that I have, but I love these blankets, and they're really expensive, but they're faux fur, but they are so soft. This is like one of the biggest reasons that I still have FabFitFun to this day is because I love these blankets, and they've got good prices on these blankets. They're really good blankets though. If you have not tried them, I strongly recommend it. If you are a FabFitFun subscriber and you haven't tried them yet, get one in your next box if you can. Whenever they pop up again, because this is like the 4th or 5th one that I've gotten from FabFitFun, so they're always around. They're really good blankets. I love these. We have a whole bunch of different coupon codes and stuff. We got some stickers. Have you guys heard about the Chanel? God, more coupon codes. You guys heard about the Chanel advent calendar? That's what I feel like this is. Okay, I'm sorry. Were there only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Were there only 6 products in here? How many are there normally? Because that feels really light to me. Alright, let me move this huge, ridiculous thing. Okay, this is the rest of my box. So, the Bite Beauty Power Move Soft Matte Lipstick in Sugar Buns. I'm assuming, like, all of this looks relatively familiar, so I'm assuming that I picked it all out, but let's be honest, I don't fucking know. I do like Bite Beauty, so it is, realistically speaking, possible that I picked this out. Ooh, okay, that's a pretty shade. It's a bit pink for me, but I kind of like it. Like, I like this. I could definitely see myself picking this out. That's nice. I really like Bite Beauty's lip products. I know that they recently changed their formula. I've tried their new formula. It's not as great as the old formula, but like it's still pretty good. So like I'm okay with that. All right. This one I did pick out. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. I actually have one of these, but I like it. So I went ahead and grabbed another one. Look at how nice that is. Briogeo is one of my favorite hair care brands. And I've pretty much switched to looking, okay, so then this is my issue. Get ready for the TED Talk. I pretty much switched my thinking for FabFitFun over from like BoxyCharm where I can try new things to restocking on basics. because I get body wash and shit from FabFitFun now and blankets. And it's great, but like I'm buying less add-ons because the prices have gone up. The quality has gone down. A lot of the add-ons I can go to Amazon and find cheaper. You know, I just don't know. I like this though. It's a scalp treatment. Formulated with a unique complex of tea tree oil, biotin, panthenol, and witch hazel to help soothe a dry, flaky scalp and restore hydration. My entire body is dry, so anything that restores hydration I use. And I like using scalp treatments on my hair because for whatever reason I like to think that that helps me. But it's a good treatment. Okay, I could have sworn that these were an add-on because I got other Glamnetic products as add-ons, but I looked at my add-on list and they're not listed, so I'm assuming that these are part of the box. But these are the Glamnetic Virgo lashes. These are magnetic lashes. I actually just did a whole video where I tried out some Glamnetic lashes and like their nails, and I bought some nails in the add-ons. These are pretty though. I really do like Glamnetic lashes. They're really nice. They're really easy to apply. They go on really well. This is the Virgo set, and then it comes with like the liner too. I like those. They're really nice. I feel like those would be like a good fit for my face too. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try those out. That's cool. The KVD Vegan Beauty Go Big or Go Home Volumizing Mascara. Have I tried this one yet? It's very possible I've tried like a sample of this. I don't want to open it though, because like, oh my goodness. Well, between this, the Black Friday shopping and everything, I have so many damn mascaras, you guys. I normally don't buy mascaras because I get them in subscription boxes. And for whatever reason during Black Friday, I had like a list of mascaras that I've been wanting to try, and I was like, let's get them all. I don't know if I've tried this one or not, but I've tried KVD Vegan Beauty mascaras and I like them. This is in Trooper Black. I like that shade. I like this packaging. It's so sleek, and then it just has like the font like lifted up so it's texturized. I like that. And I love trying new mascaras. Now I've got a whole bunch that I need to try. And then the last product is from Grown Alchemist. I always take Grown Alchemist if it's offered because they are insanely expensive, but they are such a good skincare, body care brand. So this is the body cream in Mandarin and Rosemary leaf. I don't want to pop it open because I'm not ready to use it. I love their products though, and I love this packaging, right? Because it's metal, so you can recycle it, and then you can like just twist it up so you like make sure that you get all the product out. I think it's genius, and their products are so good. Seriously, I love them, but they are so insanely expensive that FabFitFun is like one of the only places that I can get them for a really good price. Another reason why I keep the box. That's literally the box. I feel like last quarter had a lot more in it. And I'm not saying that the amount of products in it is like the make it or break it, but I feel like this was like lamer than last quarter. So we got a blanket, a lipstick, a mascara, false lashes, a scalp treatment, and a body cream. I feel like it's a BoxyCharm box with a blanket thrown in, but BoxyCharm's like $25 a month. Do you see what I'm saying? I don't know. I might cancel my subscription. They're not doing anything exciting anymore, you know? It's the same products time after time, and it's just getting sad. Like, I'm not getting that excitement buzz to open the boxes anymore. I'm getting more in add-ons than I am in the boxes, and even my add-ons, like compared to what they used to be, where I had to make like a separate video just to talk about the add-ons because there were so many. I guess let's talk about the add-ons. This was a customized boost. I don't know what that means. And this is the thing, they've made the system so overcomplicated. Like BoxyCharm has the box, and then you get to customize a couple of your products, and then you've got a couple sales here and there. FabFitFun has sales every week, it feels like. So many fucking sales. And then you customize your box, but depending on how you pay for your box depends on what you can customize. They've got boosts, which I guess are things that you can add to your box extra, but then isn't that add-ons? But then they also have like the refills, which are things that you can add to be like to have like just to set up on auto delivery. And then they've got bundle, like it's so confusing. It's so confusing. And for what purpose? It's the same products, just they've packaged them in different buzzwords to make you get FOMO. That's what it is. That's what it is. Okay. So this was my add-on boost to the box. These are Muk-Luks. They're cabin socks. I am so annoyed now. I spent $7 on these. So these are cabin socks. They're just really thick. They have like the anti-slip shit on the bottom. I love Muk-Luks. They are one of my favorite slipper brands because they are so soft. They're so cozy. The inside is like this woolish type material. So it keeps your feet toasty warm. My feet get super freaking cold. I don't know why. Everything else is hot. My feet are freezing. I go through these really quickly and I have several pairs. These were cute. I liked the gray. I liked the little, I'm like a cat, you know, whatever that's called. I thought these were cute. So I picked them up because you can never have too many like good, cozy, comfy slipper socks. Even living in Arizona, you can't. This is weird, but they also do like sponsored freebies. So the one for add-ons, if you spend over a certain amount, you got this. This was the Bausch and Lomb Lumify. Their redness relief eye drops. Here's the thing though, I actually really like these. And this is like my 9th bottle through FabFitFun. It's literally like a little sample of it. But these are really good eye drops. And so I always get them when they're available for free from FabFitFun because they're expensive and I don't want to pay for them. So I picked up 3 packs of Glamnetic nails, and listen, so I tried these out in that video. They were gifted to me in that video. These I paid for through FabFitFun. I really liked them, and like they're more curved. Like these are not Glamnetic nails. I don't remember what these are, but they're more curved than most press-on nails that I use. And I've personally found that the curved nails don't last as long. The Glamnetic nails lasted so long that the nail, like the paint on them started to chip before any of them had fallen off. It was insane. So as soon, like once I had worn them for a while and like really tested them, I saw these and I think I bought all of the ones that they had. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. But I got 3. So I got Sprinkles, which is like the tips, they're like almond shaped, and then the tips are different colors. I thought those were super cute. I got Wild Card. This is actually the set that I put on in that video. And I really liked them. They're so cute. Like this is such a good style of nail. And then I also got Boba, which is just an almond shaped, very dark, you know? I liked those too. So I picked up 3 boxes of Glamnetic nails. I picked up this Calm Club yoga deck. I talked about this a little bit in my stocking stuffer video too. I like doing yoga, but I never know what to do. And I don't want to do DVDs, and I do some fitness classes, and I want options because I need options. So I thought this would be cute. Your weekly dose of yoga, helping you from novice to enthusiast in 52 weeks. So I thought this was cool. It's 52 yoga poses for beginners. They are very, very pretty though. I kind of like that. So it gives you the name of the pose, a picture of someone doing the pose, which I like, and then it tells you, like it gives you the description of how to do it and then what it's helpful for. Oh, okay, I actually like that. And then it literally goes like day 1 is the easiest, and then it goes like gets more difficult. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna try them out. I've never used cards like this before, so I don't quite 100% know if it's going to work. I definitely think that the yoga dice from my stocking stuffer video is kind of cooler, but this is nice just to get some of the basic poses down because some of those poses are just way over my head, okay? So I am excited about that. I also picked up a Grown Alchemist body cleanser. This is chamomile, bergamot, and rose. This has been something that I've been wanting to try forever, but again, it's always just so expensive. So I figured treat yourself. That smells so good. I'm not the biggest fan of bergamot, but the rose in here smells amazing. I didn't get like a whole bunch of stuff. Like I got some stuff, but comparatively, it just wasn't a lot. So I went ahead, finally splurged and got the cleanser. I'm excited about it. I've always wanted to try it. Now I just have to keep Kylie away from it. Okay, I got this. This is a Biofoam reusable cleaning mitt. This is like the most expensive thing that I bought. I mean, it looked so much cooler in the pictures. I don't know how you use it because it came, literally this is how it came. So I have to figure out, I don't know how you use it. That may have just been a stupid purchase. I got this. This just kind of looked cool. So I can do cut creases, and I do cut creases pretty often, but I was curious about this. This is from the Crease piece, and it is the Cut Crease Creation Kit. So it comes with a handle, and then a round crease set, an almond crease set, and a wing crease set. So you literally, you choose your desired crease, slide the crease over the top of the handle, hold it gently against the eye, and apply your eyeshadow over the top edge, and then you remove it. So it's like a stencil, but it's like reusable, right? I don't know. I was just very intrigued. And it's partially because there are so many different shapes. I normally just do like a round cut crease. And I like the concept of almond. Maybe that's what I do. Maybe I'm in the middle. I don't know. And then they also have the wing one, so I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna see if this works. Stuff like this intrigues me. So if you guys want to see a video of me testing this out, let me know. Maybe I'll do like a TikTok or something. I don't know. The only other things that I got from the add-ons were these Skinny Steel by Ice Shaker tumblers with straws. They had really cute designs, and they are packaged like really nicely, and they were cheaper on FabFitFun than on Amazon. I checked. So this is the Mermaid design. First of all, matches my sweater. Thank you. Second of all, oh my god, it's so cute. And if you guys have seen my my Etsy haul thing that I did, you'll know that I do not need any more tumblers, and I just can't help it. This is the tie-dye one. Oh, that's so cool. I can't help it. I have a problem. These are the stainless steel ones, which I love. I love these so much more than the plastic ones, and like I plan on keeping a couple of my plastic ones that I picked up from Etsy, but I need to go through and like declutter a lot of my older ones because I used to only use the plastic ones. Look at this blue marble, blue and gold marble. Oh my goodness. I used to use only the plastic ones, and they're cool, but these keep your drinks cold or hot depending on what you put in here, and I love that. And so I use these a lot more frequently, and I need to go through and declutter a bunch of my plastic ones. And then leopard. I will say they look almost screen printed, which kind of irritates me because it doesn't look as clean as it should, but they're still cute. I'll still use them. And I honestly, the tumblers are what I'm most excited about. The tumblers and the nails are what I'm most excited about. Could have gotten those off of Amazon. Okay. That is the video for today. I really don't know how I feel about FabFitFun right now. I feel like the fall box was kind of a disappointment, and I feel like the winter box was a big disappointment. Like this is worse than the fall box. How do you get worse than the worst box ever? I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Are you still enjoying FabFitFun? Are we over FabFitFun? What do you guys think? Are the add-ons still worth it? Because like obviously I picked some stuff up, but like I could have lived without this stuff and I would have been fine. You know what I mean? I'm really gonna have to start looking at start taking a more in-depth look into these things. So tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm really curious to know because I am not super on board with any of this right now, and I really need a comeback from FabFitFun if I plan to stay. So it might be time to start looking at canceling that subscription. I feel like this video has been such a downer. I really like my cups. Like they're cute. Look at this. Can you see it? I like them. I need to be excited. I've been talking so much about excitement, being excited. I love my subscription boxes, but they have to excite me. This is not exciting me. So let me know down below what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If it was informative for you, make sure you hit the bigger subscribe button below me. If you'd like to see more of me, or you know, if you want to know what happens with FabFitFun in this wonderful saga we have going on here. I will catch you guys next time. Have a good one.